automatically come here. Just know it has to do with, because something is configured on my end here. It has to do with, if there are issues at all, it has to do with these screens. Edit layout. No, what am I doing? What's that? Screens. Edit looks. Just know something is not checked in. Maybe the video input is not checked in, or something is not checked in. But no, instead of me making this default here.
Wait, but why do we need a whole separate one though?
Yeah.
Why do we need a whole separate one? Like a whole separate preset?
Because let me show you. Why. Before I wasn't using the whole thing, but I was trying to make it easier for you guys. So before it wasn't like that. So let me. So can you see this audience loop? Let's do something. Let me just put. So I have an announcement. I didn't know this is. So let me show you this. Let's say I'm creating. Okay, this does not have. I think, let's see, does it have the action? It has the action, but this does not have the action. Okay, so in this, I'll just add an image. I'll add this image. You can see this image here. It does not have the action. When you go to blank side, you can see. But when you go to the second one, you can see there's many blank sides by the side. I don't know if that's been taking input from us. I think so. Let's see.
But I think it's fine though, because in the real situation we wouldn't have this problem because the image would be stretched.
Can you see? If she gives you, except you demand a stretched image from her.
Yeah.
But with what I gave you here, if there's a stretched image, there's no, like, see this for example. Look at this. Before, this would take this middle picture, and the input will still be coming in from the side.
What if? Well, because this is probably, I think it's probably because this is the PNG. If we just make this one a JSON. Wait, we'll go now to edit. Let's. Oh, this is so weird. Why doesn't this? Okay.
Talking about the image itself, that's the image, that's the JPG.
Oops.
The first one
yeah, because what if, so this is just a shape, it appears. So if we add now another one, we can add like just a white background JPG.
I tried doing it, it's still,
it doesn't
for
work?
some reason it doesn't take it in.
Oh, okay.
Except, it might work if you add the white background physically yourself every time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like we can now duplicate that one that has the white JPG.
The duplication,
behind
I don't even think that will work. I've tried it. Oh, I think it might. Should we try it?
Yeah, sure.
We can test it out. Let's see. So let's see. This is the announcement section. We need a new announcement. This is a new announcement. Yeah. And we're taking a rectangle. Let's leave it this color. I want to see something good. It's not taking anything.
It wasn't selected. Okay, now it's selected.
This is it. What? This is the main projector. Cool.
But for the YouTube outputs though, that's the one where it was bugging.
Yeah, no. So let's see we're adding. No. So this is what you say we duplicate every time, yeah? So let's duplicate. 1, 2. We just duplicated. Now let's add an image to this first one. And let's add a different image to the second one. I'll just use this image, I don't care what it shows. Yeah, these are 2 different images. Now let's see what happens. Can you see the YouTube? Hold on.
Oh wait, can you go back here?
So look what YouTube output shows me. I don't know why. Let me click here. Let me click here. Okay. I think that works. What you're saying works. What you're saying works. So you don't need the second
Wait, let me just
output. What you're saying works.
yeah.
So that means
This one, I want to see what it is with this one specifically.
what you're saying, but I tested it didn't work for me, so I wonder why it's working now.
You know what? We don't complain when it's working. You just say it's working, say
Yeah.
amen, and then pass on to the next thing.
Exactly. So this one works now. When I get home, what I'm gonna do is just what I'm gonna do before I sync everything I give it to you. I will create a fresh.
Oh, another thing. Okay, so to solve that issue of duplication, so what you can do, can create a fresh page under Worship Nights 26.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what I'm thinking of right now.
Okay.
Let's see. So I'll just take a picture of this.
Oh, I guess we'll investigate that a little bit more.
You can see our YouTube output is coming in. Okay, so we're done with announcement. So I'm just gonna create, and the way you create, this is it here. Yeah, you go plus new. Is it new presentation or playlist? New playlist. Yeah. So I can name this announcement. Yep. So I can just click on this announcement. So when we create an announcement, I created some specific themes for everything here. So this announcement now is now going to be. So there's nothing here.
No items, yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to add items. I'll just create a new placeholder, and I just name it. Can I rename? What did I?
It's called the announcements.
Yeah, I'll just rename this announcement. So now in here we now have to start creating. Yeah, but let's use the announcement template I already created. So when you click on that, something should pop up here. It's not popping up. Let's just come plus. No, something is wrong. Let's just go to edit. Something is wrong. Announcement.
Oh, probably because there's nothing inside there.
Yeah, but then again, it should take me to like a page where I can edit.
Maybe you have to add one presentation or one slide first. Up here.
I'm trying to add something.
Just try. Just put some random name on there and then check.
Again, the team has to be the announcement team.
Okay.
No, I don't think this is it, bro.
And you can always edit it as well.
I don't think this is it, but okay. Edit slide. Okay, I think this is it then. We can just take like a rectangle and fill it up. And the color, let's make the color white. Then, like you said, then we can now add whatever it is we're adding here. I think we're good. Then this announcement section, you can just keep duplicating this and it should be good to go. I think that works. think that works perfectly. So we have our announcement. We have an announcement section here that works for our YouTube output, and when we come back to blank, it doesn't affect the YouTube output. So we're good here. Thank you.
No worries.
Now, I don't know how many worship leaders are coming in. Yeah.
I guess you have to create a separate one for each one, right?
Exactly. So that's what I'm going to tell you now.
Okay.
And there is a caveat to creating those.
And it was playlists. Do you work with this? Cisco?
Yes, we work with, but mostly just the VPN section. What are the things that say you should ask for?
The first one was just the content for the announcements. I think that was the only one, but I'll double check. The contents for announcements and sign in for and the authentication information for the per presenter, because you're gonna sync the stuff right on the account, so that when I sign in on my computer, I can just have everything ready.
Yeah. So,
excuse me. Wait, so what did you say was the next thing?
just adding the worship ladies or the guys. I know Soki is gonna be obviously be worshiping, so it will be the same thing under here. You have to click here, then new, then click here. Where is it? The new. This was very important. Playlist. So let's say this is Suki. Yes, under Suki. Let's see. And this is a different one now. Under Suki, we are adding an item. Let's see what I. This is where too many items can come in. We're adding an item. It's based on the song. Now let's say Suki wants to sing. Jesus. I'm just giving an example. Jesus be praised. Yeah. So under here you have to add a new one, but the theme now has to change. The theme has to be. I don't think it's worship lyrics. Let me see. Theme. I have Suki worship lyrics. Hold on. Let's see. Worship lyrics, but it won't be announcement now. It now has to be. I need to rename this from Suki. Let me see if I can rename this. Hold on. would I call this background? Okay, good. I think I can name this. So when you get to Silky, you have to click like you're creating a new one.
Theme.
This one can also be Jesus be praised. Yeah, then the theme. I'm no longer in announcement, so let's go back. Worship lyrics. This one now has to be projector background because now we're working on
The
the
worship
songs.
lyrics. Yeah.
So we'll create a new one. It pops
Oh,
up.
actually, what if? So instead of having to manually do that thing where you use like the rectangle to create the white
Yeah.
background,
Yeah.
what if for the theme on the announcements you just have a white background as default? So in those cases where the image doesn't fill the whole thing, just automatically the theme is gonna cover the background.
I will leave that to you to figure out.
Hey man, you're the one that's passing the thing over, so you have to, make sure everything's tip top, right?
Yeah, I feel you, but again, so can you see now the main projector is popping up? So all you need to do is just click on edit. But this one while editing, can you see there's a text here? It's logged. I logged before a bubble, so you have to unlock it. Then now to start typing. Let's say the lyrics is Jesus, can be caps or Jesus be praised. Jesus be praised. If you want to give space, you can give space. I like giving space so it's clear, so that when they are projecting this to the main background, comes up as this. So this is what is going to be displaying.
I have to verify this one more time. Us. Interesting. Why is it that on YouTube output it's only showing the lyrics?
I set it up that way so that the YouTube output they see.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, so they are seeing the live, but I made the lyrics appear on that.
Okay.
You understand?
So that's on purpose. Okay,
yes.
okay.
So the lyrics is gonna appear under on YouTube output.
Because it's the theme. The theme has that setting where
it takes in the video input.
Okay. That makes sense. I see.
So then, if so, this is a song, yeah. You want to add another song? It will be new placeholder. New placeholder. You put the name of the song, then you just arrange it the way you want it arranged. Most times, Soki is known to do this. He can wing it. So there are places where I have some songs. Yeah, these songs has like almost audio song you can think about, like mainly. And something I do is, for example, you just search for a song. Let's say there's a song that is not here now. Let's just call it Adona. You can just search for it here.
Oh, okay.
That thing we're doing that day, I don't know if you remember. I think it was me and Tomiwa. But let's say there's a song he just brought up and you don't have time to look for the lyrics. You can just make use of blank for the meantime. So the projector is showing blank. Then while it is blank, search for the song. Yeah, let's say this is the song. You can just open it briefly, but those songs area are not configured the way I want them to be. So what you do is, if you're looking at the song, yeah, you can just click on it. Can you see what's showing here? Before you click on it at all, Control A, then add theme, make theme projector background, so that automatically it takes all those things and it give it to you. This is for winging. I don't know if there's a way I can Control A of this song and add a theme to all of them. It just won't work. 1000. It's doable, but 1003. I don't think that's feasible. YouTube background. YouTube background. So what else do I need to show you about this?
Wait, and then when you searched,
Yeah, normally everything should be organized.
yeah, I
But
just
if
wanted to see what it shows
yeah, you
here.
just try and look. No, first of all, just try and scan the song. Is that like, is it the same thing it's vibing on? If yes, just open it up.
Yeah, I want to see what options it shows.
Then
Okay, I guess I have to do a different one because that one is
yeah,
already
yeah,
there.
I've already applied the projector background to this one.
Okay, so all of them now will automatically have it.
No, I have to go. There are over 1,000 songs there. Yeah. So
Okay, but where's that? Because I saw it when you did it.
so
There was two
okay, so
options that were showing.
Jesus, let's just look for. I really want to thank you. Yeah, let's open this up. Oh, don't tell me everything. Everything. You know, I know there are some. And I'll look at these ones now. Yeah. So I just have to control A everything. But once you do it once, that's it. Right click themes, worship lyrics, make it projector background so that automatically what people are saying will be the projector background. Does that make sense? So, but normally everything should be, his song should be organized here. But if he's winging it, just come here and search Lord. Like try and just search Great Are You Lord, for example. Yeah, open it up. It will not be organized.
Control A.
Just control, click. Then themes, worship lyric projector background.
Yeah. Search for song.
And it gets organized on the YouTube.
Open.
Output.
Themes. Okay.
So now for the, let's still work on input, for example.
Oh yeah.
So
what
for
does
the
that one do?
input, they're gonna hopefully, I don't know the venue, but they're gonna slot in like a camera here. I'll just end this live. And right now, what I want is for this one to show the YouTube output so you see what I'm talking about. So as usual, screen, we're configuring screens. There's a YouTube output here. I want my YouTube output to be